Hello viewers, Aslam here from LeadsFlex, and this is lecture number 6 of our basic to advanced Go High Level course. So basically in this lecture we are going to discuss about sub account features and functionality, and also I am going to discuss about Launchpad, a conversation and dashboard as well. So let's dive in a sub account. In a previous lecture I made this test account and I'm going to log in my sub account. We are simply just login in our sub account. And the first things we are going to face is a launchpad. In a launchpad, what we are going to do, first of all, you need to install GoHighLevel app in your mobile. And second, you can connect your Google My Business account here. It's super easy. Just click on a contact and put your username and password. It will be automatically connect. Then you can put you integrate your Facebook. Then you can integrate your chart widget to your website. It should be a WordPress website. It should be a leads. It should be on GoHighLevel, on a Wix, on a Squarespace, and also you can integrate your your WhatsApp, connect your payment method like Stripe, and also connect your if you have WordPress website, you can buy hosting from them, and then you can add this one. And here is some quick teams and member add. You can add users and remove user from here. Okay, once you done this all will be check okay, and then you are further ready to go. We are going to discuss about the dashboard. In a dashboard, we are able to see all these customization here, and we are going to check all these opportunities, how many contacts, leads we have, and how many conversion ratio, and funnels automations, and funnels results and leads. Here we can see stages of different stages of leads. Here we can add our task that usually we are going to use, and you can also assign to the user as well. And here we can see manual action, where we can put all of our phone calls, SMS, whatever you want to show here you can do here. And here we have lead source, where the leads coming from your GoHighLevel. You can check your lead source here, and here you can connect your Google Analytics, and also you can check all reports from Google Analytics. And also you can once you connect Facebook ad report, then you will get Facebook ad data here. So that's in a dashboard. Basically we have all of our account summary in a just one place. You can check all these things, and here you see icon, and because we are in a 297 plan, we are not able to customize this dashboard right now, but we can do with the code, but not from drag and drop here. If you can go with the 297 or 497 plan, then you are able to change all these things. I have affiliate link in description box below. If you can go with the 97 or 297 in 497 plan, I will customize this, and I will do white label services free of cost, and I will jump with the call and we discuss all the things as well. Okay, in the next tab is a conversation tab. In a conversation tab, we will check all of our conversations that we do with the clients. It should be an email, it should be a WhatsApp, it should be a Instagram, and even it should be a Facebook. We all conversation will be appear here, and here we have some manual action. Okay, let's discuss first these, then we can go with the main features. And here we have unread message, and here when click on it, recent message. Right now that's a new account, so that's why there is no data here. And here we have stored data, if anyone you have favorite or something like this. And in all you can find all the contacts and all the detail here. Right now I don't have a contact here, so let me just add one contact here, so you will get idea. And we'll say that add contact here, and we will say Slum, and we will say it's a dummy email, and here we can put dummy number as well. Okay, it's a dummy number, it's not a actual existing number. I just click it. Here you see we have add. We can We can communicate through our WhatsApp, we can communicate through our emails. All of our conversation will be appear here. And yeah, and also here you can see all of contact detail. I just show you step by step all the contact detail here. Yes, you have numbers, emails, and also you want to check your emails, then you can send email here. Want to do a call, you can directly do a call here when you have attached your call agent and also other agent. If you want to don't disturb this, just check this. Don't want to do a call and SMS, just check this. Don't want to do a text, you can check this. And don't want to do a email, then check this. And here you have all contacts information. If for example this contact have any appointment will be show here. If this contact have any opportunities will show here. If this contact have any task that we need to do later on it, you can check here. And in this section, if you had add any note for this contact, you can add this note as well. So yeah, that's the conversation tab. And here we have some manual action. What we are going to do in manual action, for example, we will say that if we have on a lead 1 and we want to move lead 2, you can do some manual action and manual work as well. And also it should be for example, we need to do manual call to someone, we will then say that you need to do manual task here. It should be in a workflow. I will explain later, and you then easily understand how it's work. Then we have snippet. If you have any messages template that you have already make, just add from the snippet and you can start from sending. You can create folder and here you can add your snippets. And here we have trigger links. Trigger links means we can put a link when someone click on link, so we will follow them and we can make a workflow according to them. And also we have some result as well. For example, we say test, we say link.com, so it's our test link. And if we can send this link to SMS, emails, or in a call, someone click on link, then we will track all our activity here on the link. So that's why basically that's called trigger link. Yeah, that's it from this video. In this video we have discussed about Launchpad, dashboard, and also conversation tab as well. So in the next video we are going to discuss about the calendar, contacts, and opportunity, but I think that's quite long video for calendar. So if you need any GoHighLevel related services or want to book free consultation with me, just go to the leadsflex.com and book free consultation here. And if you can high level with my affiliate link, I will jump with you on a call. I will set up for you. I will do high-level services. I will do basic automations. I will design landing page, each and everything I can do this. Thank you so much for watching this video.